Without further ado, I'm delighted to turn it over to Linda King, who is our
Ya
featured
me da
Master Gardener
mucha
today. Take it away, Linda.
placer darle la presentación a Linda,
And Linda,
quien
you're muted.
va a hacer la presentación de hoy.
You okay? Start again. Thank you, everybody. I'm really excited to be talking with everybody today about right plant, right
Otra
place.
vez me
Selecting
emociona
the right
mucho
plant
poder
to go in any
hablar de
place in your garden,
todos
and we're going to
de
talk about what are the different things
la
we
planta
need to be
adecuada en
looking
el
at
lugar adecuado,
to make good
seleccionar la
selection.
planta
So,
adecuada para el
selecting the
lugar
right
en su
plant
jardín
for each
adecuado.
place in your
Entonces,
garden
seleccionar la
is
planta
really
correcta
choosing
para el lugar
to
adecuado
have
en el
plants that
jardín.
are climate appropriate,
Realmente se trata de
plants
tener
that are
plantas que
also
sean
appropriate for the chosen
apropiados para el
ecosystem,
clima,
and plants
tanto
that
como
fit the
para
specific
el
location and
ecosistema
situation
elegido
that you want.
y
And we're going to talk about
la
each one of
ubicación
these
y situación
categories
específica.
and what they mean. So,
Entonces, vamos a
what makes a
hablar de
plant
estas
climate
categorías
appropriate
y
in
qué
Sonoma County?
significan.
Well,
¿Qué hace
we
que
have a
un planta
Mediterranean
sea
climate, which means
apropiado
we have
para el clima
cool,
en
wet
el
winters,
condado de
hot, dry summers.
Sonoma? Tenemos
Generally, plants that are drought tolerant do much
inviernos
better here than plants
fríos
that are
y
adapted to coastal
veranos
fog. But
eh,
we have a
áridos,
climate that
secos
is a
y
little bit
calurosos.
different than the
Y
other Mediterranean climates. There are 5 total
es
Mediterranean
un
climates
clima
in North
mediterráneo,
Mediterranean,
pero el
but
nuestro
there's
es un
also
poco
the west
diferente.
coast of South Africa, the west and
También existe el
southwest
clima
coasts of
mediterráneo
Australia
del
and New
oeste
Zealand,
de
the west
África,
coast of
las
South
cosas de
America,
Nueva Zelanda,
and of
la costa
course,
oeste
California.
de Sudamérica y por supuesto California.
All of these are located in a band
Todas estas
between
se
30 and
ubican
45
en
degrees
una
north and south
banda
of the equator,
entre
and we all have wet
30 y
winters and
45 grados
dry summers,
norte y sur del
westerly winds, and we
Ecuador.
all have
Todos
fire as
tenemos
part of our
inviernos
climate and our
frescos,
ecosystem. So
veranos
we need to
secos
talk
y
about some of
calurosos,
those things, but we're also going
vientos
to talk about
sobre
why
la costa
California is
en
different
el
than other
oeste.
Mediterranean climates. And
Pero
there
también
are two
vamos a
major
hablar de cómo
differences.
es
One is that we
diferente el
have
clima de
much
California y
less
hay
rainfall than the other
algunas
Mediterranean climates. They get
diferencias
about 35%
importantes.
of their rain during the summer
Tenemos
months. We get
muy
maybe 10
poca
to 15% of
lluvia
our
comparado con
rainfall during
los
the hot
otros
side of the winter
climas
months. So plants that are
mediterráneos. Así
native
que
to
las
California are
plantas
much
nativas a
more able to
California
adapt
son mucho más
to that
capaces de
really dry
adaptar
summer. And it's
a
also why sometimes
ese
we need to
verano
water
tan
plants from other
seco y por
Mediterranean
eso
climates a little bit
necesitamos
more in the summer
regar
because
a
that's what
las
they're used to.
plantas de
The other
otros
thing is
climas
the soil.
mediterráneos un
We
poco
have much more
más.
fertile soil
Otra
here in
cosa es
California.
el suelo. Tenemos
Generally speaking,
suelo
clay is one of the
mucho más
most fertile
fértil
soils there
aquí
are.
en
We got them example
California.
clay, but
La
even our sandy
arcilla
loam is very fertile, whereas
tiene,
many of the
es
plants,
un
specifically,
suelo
especially the
muy
Mediterranean plants, are used
fértil,
to gravelly,
pero muchas de
coarse,
las plantas
very finely
mediterráneas
fertile
están
soil. And
acostumbrados
so when we
a
move them into California
suelos
soil,
muy poco
they can
fértiles, así
often
que
die in the
cuando se
wintertime
mueven
because the
a
roots are getting too
nuestros
wet, it's
suelos,
too
se
soggy,
pueden
it's too fertile.
morir
So we have to keep
durante
those things in mind
los
when we're putting
inviernos
non-native
por tener demasiado
composite
agua
plants.
en sus raíces.
Okay, so keep
Muy
going
bien.
backwards, I apologize. Um,
Entonces,
so one of the things that's really important about drought
una
tolerance
cosa
is
muy
that we
importante de
can
la
change the
tolerancia a la
amount of water we
sequía
use
es que
significantly.
podemos cambiar la
And I use
cantidad
this
de
as an
agua
example,
que
but
usamos
for
de
example,
manera
a high water use
significativa.
tree,
Y uso
like
eso
a
como
Japanese maple, for
ejemplo,
example,
pero
needs 10 to
un
15
árbol
gallons
de
each of
alto
trunk
uso de
diameter
agua
every
necesita
month.
entre 10 y 15
A
galones
low water use plant,
por
such as the
pulgada de
olive pictured
diámetro
here,
del
needs
tronco
the
cada
same
mes.
10 to 15 gallons
El
per inch of trunk
árbol
diameter, but only once
de
or twice in
oliva
the
que se
dry season.
muestra aquí
And what that can
necesita
mean
la
is
misma
that
cantidad de
plants
10 a
that
15 galones,
uh,
pero
that
solo un par de
that high
veces
water
durante
use
la
tree
temporada
is going to
seca.
use about
Y eso
1100
significa
to
que
1200
el
gallons
árbol
per
de
year,
uso alto
whereas the
va a
low water use
utilizar
tree
muchos
is
galones
going to
por
use about
año. Mientras
250 to
tanto,
300
el
gallons per
de
which is about a
poco,
75%
bajo
savings in
uso
water.
es
That can add up to a
250 a
significant amount of water
300
savings if you add
galones,
up
que
all
es
of
un
the trees and plants
ahorro
in your garden.
significado
So it's
de
one,
agua,
it's
que puede
really
ser
important
mucho sumando
consideration for
todas
us,
las plantas en el
particularly as our
jardín.
climate gets
Así que
hotter
es
and
una
drier,
consideración
that we
importante para
put
nosotros
in plants that are more drought
que
tolerant.
pongamos plantas más tolerantes
Okay.
a la
Thank you.
sequía.
Okay, so what makes a plant
Entonces,
climate
¿qué
appropriate
hace
for
que una
Sonoma
planta
County?
sea
We have several
apropiada para
ecosystems
el
within the county.
condado de
We've got
Sonoma?
the
Tenemos
coastal areas
varios
where we have fog and
ecosistemas
salt and wind.
alrededor del
We have
condado.
redwood forests
Tenemos
along the
las
Russian
áreas
River where we have
costeras,
some shade and
tenemos
much
los
more
bosques
acidic
de
soil,
los
but most of
redwoods
us live with what's
con
called oak
suelos
savanna and
mucho más
chaparral, which is
acídicos,
hot,
pero la
dry,
mayoría se llaman oak
slopes,
savanna y chaparral,
flat lands
que
with
son
either
inclinaciones
heavy clay
muy
or fairly thin
secos
soil. So
con
we can be
suelos
looking at
con
that
mucha
when
arcilla
we're planting, we need to
o
put plants in that
muy
adapt to those
ligeros.
conditions.
Entonces necesitamos poner
Now,
plantas
when
que, que se
then we're going
adaptan
to
a
talk
estas
about
condiciones.
plants that fit
Luego
the
quiero
specific
hablar de
location
las
and
plantas
situation.
que
The place
encajen
you want to
en
put that plant.
la ubicación
So one of
y
the important
situación
things we want to talk
específica
about is mature
donde
size.
usted quiere
We're going
poner
to talk
el
about light
la
requirements,
planta.
soil
Queremos
requirements,
hablar del
aesthetics,
tamaño
and finally
en
we
su
want to talk
madurez,
about
los
fire safety.
requisitos de
Okay, so
luz y
let's talk
suelos
about
y finalmente seguridad
fire safety.
contra los
Okay,
incendios.
this is a very
Primero, el
exaggerated
tamaño
view of what
en
happens
su
when you put the
madurez.
wrong plant
Esta
in the
es
wrong
una
place,
vista
but
exagerada de poner
wherever
la
you go,
planta no
nurseries,
adecuada en el lugar no
books
adecuado,
about plants
pero por donde
always
vayas,
indicate
los
mature
libros
size.
de las plantas
And
van a
it's really, really
indicar
important that we
el
look
tamaño
at the
de
mature size. So,
madurez.
for
Y es
example,
muy
if they
importante
say
que
it's gonna be, this
planteemos
plant will
a
be
este
10 feet
tamaño.
by
Entonces, si
20 feet,
dicen que
but you want to put
esta
it in a
planta
space
va a
that's 6
llegar
by
a un
6.
tamaño de 10 a
Well,
10,
that plant is genetically
y tú
driven to
quieres
get to 10
poner
feet
la
by 20 foot.
planta en
It
un
will
lugar
try
de
every
6
year
por
to get there.
6, pues
So
esta planta
that means
es
that you're going to be
impulsado
pruning
por
it once or
lo
twice a year
genético
for as long as
llegar a
that
ese
plant lives,
tamaño
which
de
could
10
be
a 10.
20,
Entonces
25 years.
vas a estar
And why you
podando el
want to
plan
invest that kind of
a lo
time
largo
and
de su
energy
vida.
into
Entonces,
just
¿por
trying
qué
to keep a
queremos
plant that's
invertir
too big for
nuestro
its space
tiempo a
into the right
esta
space?
tarea
It's
de
much
mantener
easier to put
una
that plant to
planta
the right size.
del
And
tamaño
nurseries nowadays,
equivocado
because
en el lugar
smaller
equivocado? Es mucho
nurseries
más
are
fácil
actually
mantener
creating
la
or
planta en su
modifying
tamaño
plants so that
correcto.
they're dwarf
Y de
versions of
hecho,
many plants available
las
in nurseries. So
jardinerías ya
no
están
reason to really
modificando
go
sus
up to one
plantas para
size.
que
Now,
sean
light requirements. This
más
is actually a
pequeños, así
neighbor of
que
mine.
no hay razón
He
por
planted
la cual
hydrangeas across
agarrar
the front of
una
his
planta más
house,
grande.
and they get
Ahora,
direct
ahora
sun
bien,
all day long, all year long. So
eh,
he has umbrellas up
esta
across the front of his house.
persona
Now,
tiene
I don't know about
plantas
you, but
frente de su
maybe
casa que
that
reciben
isn't the most
luz del sol
attractive thing to put across the
directa
front of
durante
your
todo
house.
el año, y por lo tanto
Maybe it would have
tiene
been more appropriate to put those
sombrillas
hydrangeas in the back where it's shadier.
puestas.
So when we're putting
Entonces, a lo
plants
mejor
in,
hubiera sido
look at the light requirements. Is it
más
something that
adecuado
needs full sun?
poner
That means
los
it needs 60 feet,
hydrangeas,
or is it
estas
something
plantas,
that's important when
en
we're putting
el patio
plants
trasero
in, that we
donde
look at
hay
whether or
menos
not
luz
that
del
they're
sol?
going to
Entonces,
hit the light requirements
importante
that we
cuando
have,
estamos
because we can't change
planteando
the
saber si
amount of
las
light
plantas
in that
van
specific location.
a encajarse
Okay,
con los
next we're going to talk about soil.
requisitos de
There are
luz que
lots of different
tenemos.
soil combinations, but
Ahora
it's
vamos a
usually a
hablar
combination of
de
clay,
los
sand, or what's called
suelos.
silt.
Hay muchas
Really
combinaciones,
fine, very
pero
rich soil. Many of us
usualmente
have clay. I
es
have
una
clay. I even have
combinación
Petaluma, so
de
I have a lot of clay in my
arcilla,
soil.
a
Clay is very
arena
nutritious soil,
y
very
lo
rich,
que se llama
but it's dense and
cieno,
heavy,
que es
holds moisture,
un
and
suelo
sea
muy, muy
alkaline.
fina.
Sandy
Yo
soils
tengo mucho
found in coastal regions
arcilla
are much more
en mis
porous.
suelos
They're going to let water go through
que
really
es
quickly.
alto en
So it's
nutrientes,
important when
muy
we see a
alcalino,
plant in the nursery.
eh,
Sometimes they'll say
pero
we'll handle
los
clay or it, it'll say it
suelos
likes clay, or it'll say any
en las
soil.
áreas costeras
So it's
van a
important to
ser
look. I mean,
más
if
de
you're
arena,
planting
que son
blueberries, for
más
example,
porosos
they're not going to do
y
very well in
captan
an
menos
alkaline soil
nutrientes.
like clay
Entonces,
because they need
cuando
acidic
estás
soil.
comprando las
So
plantas,
these
van a decir
these are a
si
lot of
toman
different
un
things that we need
suelo
to keep
con
in
más
mind
arcilla
as we're
o
going
más
through.
arena. Entonces, hay que tener esto en
Thank you.
mente cuando estamos
Okay, and then we want to talk about the
planeando.
aesthetic
Y ahora
elements to
queremos
consider.
hablar
Okay,
de
what
los elementos
shape plant do I want?
estéticos. ¿Qué
Do I want a
forma de
round plant?
planta
Do I want
quiero?
something that's
Quiero
tall
una
and skinny?
planta
Would I like something that's kind of leafy
redondeado
and we could fit
o
into
muy
that location?
alto, algo
There are so
que
many
se
different
está
shape
inclinando. Hay
plants
muchas formas de
that we
plantas
can put in that
que
will
podemos poner, que
improve the
ponemos
look of our garden.
para mejorar el
What kind of
aspecto de
leaf
nuestro
color and texture
jardín,
do I
qué
want?
tipo
There
de
are so
color
many
de
different
hoja y
colors of leaves, but
textura.
there are
Hay
leaves that are
muchos
in the gray
colores de
family
hojas,
leaves that are in the yellow
el-
family. There are
hojas
burgundy leaved
grises,
plants that
amarillos,
really add a tremendous
rojo
color in your garden.
oscuro que
And then there are
dan mucho
variegated leaves
color
which work
al
beautifully in
jardín
shady locations
y
to sort of add,
hojas
bring up
variegadas
that
que
interest in that color. There are different
eh,
leaf textures. I mean, there's
que ponen
hairy
mucha
leaves, there's
variación
soft ones,
en
there's
el jardín.
waxy, there's
Hay
toothed.
texturas
Do I want
diferentes.
something that says don't touch me, or do I
Quiero
want
algo que
something that
dice no me
makes me feel
toques
like I
o
should
algo
walk
que
up
me
and
hace sentir
touch
que
the leaves
debo
of this plant?
acercarme, tocar las
The
hojas.
feeling you give
La
based on the
sensación que
texture
das
of the
basado
leaves
en
that
las
you
texturas
have
de las
can be
hojas que
very
tienes
important.
pueden ser muy
Bark
importantes.
color and the stem color
El
really adds a
color
lot to the garden,
de
particularly
el
deciduous plants that drop their leaves in the
ramo
wintertime.
o
Crepe myrtle's a perfect
la
example.
corteza
Beautiful
también es
tree,
muy
but it
importante,
also has a gorgeous
tanto como la
trunk that's
textura,
mottled in grays
que puede tener
and
mucha
so that
textura
through the
o
winter it still has a great
no
deal of
tanta
freshness.
textura.
And then
eh,
if I'm putting flowers in the garden,
y estoy
do I want
poniendo flores
contrasting
en
colors?
el
Do I
jardín.
want
Quiero colores
complementary colors? So for example, do I want
contrastes o
yellows and oranges
complementarios.
and reds and purples?
Quiero
Or do I want to
rojos
put
y
a white
naranjas
garden
y
or
morados,
all
o quiero un
citrus?
jardín de
So
todo blanco
what's
o
the feeling that
todos
you want to give on your
toda
flowers? I
rosa
mean,
y
do
morada.
I want everything to bloom at
Entonces,
once? So it's
¿qué
this massive
es?
bloom in the summer and then it's
¿Qué son
pretty
los
quiet
colores
the
que
rest of the year?
quiero?
Or
Y
do I
luego
want to
el
put in
tiempo
succession
de
blooms, so
florecimiento.
things that bloom
Quiero
all the
que
way through the
florezcan
year, which is
todos al mismo
especially important if
tiempo
you're
y
going to
luego
try and support
entonces hay
birds.
muchas
So
flores y
again,
luego
I know it's a lot to take
nada,
in,
o quiero
but
flores
all of
que
these things, thinking about
florezcan
these
en
things before
diferentes
you put
momentos
plants in
para que
can really
el
make
jardín
a
está en
difference when you're
florecimiento
planting
durante
your
todo el
garden.
año. Todos
And
estos
then
son
lastly, of
cosas
course,
que
we want to
podemos
talk about
considerar. Y
basic
finalmente,
fire
queremos
smart
hablar de
principles. Okay.
los
The
principios
zone around your
básicos
house, the zero
eh,
zone, which is 0 to 5 feet around your house,
de
should have no
planear
organic
contra
materials,
los incendios. La
particularly if
área
you're in a
inmediatamente
woody area
alrededor
or
de
in
la
an
casa
area where
no
fire
debería
could
tener
be
ningún
a
material
problem. This is
orgánico
something that you should really be
que
considering,
podría
especially if you're redoing planting
incendiarse.
around your house. There's no reason to put plants
No
right
hay
against
ninguna razón poner
But
plantas
I
justo
put
al
my
lado de la casa. De
foundation
hecho,
planting
yo
away from the front of the house.
me
I
alejé
put
mis
a 5 foot
plantas de
barrier of
fundación
rock
de la casa
in
y le
instead of it.
puse
And then
una
I just
barrera
moved
de
the
5 pies
the
de
shrubs
roca frente
5
de
feet away
esta
from the
y
house.
luego
Well, then
moví
you can see
los
from the street
arbustos
that those plants
5
aren't up
pies
against the
de
house,
la
and yet
casa y nadie
I
desde la
feel
calle, nadie
they are
sabe
because
que no estén
I have
muy
this
cerca a la
barrier of
casa, pero yo mientras
inorganic
tanto me
material
siento mucho más
in that
segura
5 foot
porque
zone.
yo tengo esta barrera
Also, we want
de
to create
materiales
islands of
inorgánicos
plants. So
y
put
también
pathways in your
queremos
garden. A
crear
lot of us
islas de
plant,
plantas.
and then we think, well, how am I
Pongan
going to get to that
caminos y
shrub and plant?
senderos en el
So make
jardín.
sure you have
Tenemos
pathways through your
muchos de
garden.
nosotros tenemos
So just
plantas y
enjoy it
luego
more.
pensamos,
And then, of course, clean
¿cómo
up
voy
your
a
garden.
llegar a esta planta?
Okay, clean up your garden whenever you're, make sure you
Y
don't have dead material in your
finalmente,
plant.
limpie
Then
su
the other thing I
jardín
want to do
cuando
is I want to
pueden
promote a
para
program
no
for Master
tener
Gardeners called Garden
cosas
Sense.
muertas.
It
Y
is
finalmente,
a
quiero
program where
promover,
Master Gardeners, they come
promocionar
to your house
un
and talk to
programa
you about
llamado
the
Master
plants
Gardeners,
you
en
need
que
for
los
your
jardineros
specific
maestros
garden.
vienen
They'll
a
be
tu casa
aware
para
of
hablar de las plantas que tú
ecosystems and the climate
específicamente
in your garden that can
necesitas
help you
para tu
choose
casa.
plants
Están
that might
conscientes
work
de
for your
tus
garden. And so I
ecosistemas que
can't provide
tienes
any more.
y
I
pueden
recommend to go
ayudarte con
into the
elegir
Master
las
Garden
plantas.
website and check
No
out the Garden
puedo
Sense program. I'm
recomendarlo
going to
más
close this with a quote
altamente,
from Saxon
entonces
Galt.
realmente
Says,
recomiendo
"The art
que
and
vayan
science
al
of gardening
sitio
is
web.
discovering which
Y
plants play well
finalizo con
together
una
in our own
cita
gardens
que
with
el
our own
arte y la
small plants."
ciencia de la
And I like
jardinería
the word
es
play
descubrir cuáles
because we want to
plantas
enjoy gardening. And
juegan
if we make
bien
mistakes,
juntos con nuestros jardines.
we can clean
Y
the
me
plants
gusta
out and put them somewhere else. Enjoy what you're doing.
esta
It's
palabra
not
de
putting together
jugar,
plants
porque
in your garden,
realmente
but
se
putting the
trata
right
de
plant in the
jugar
right place.
cuando estamos armando
Thank you very
nuestros
much, and I'll turn
jardines
this
y
over to
combinando
Brent.
las plantas correctas. Muchas gracias.
Thank you
Y
so
con
much, Linda.
con esto concluyo
And we're
mi
seeing on the
presentación.
screen now for more
Muchas
information. We
gracias
have
y
the
ya
St. Rose of
vemos en la
Waterloo
pantalla
website,
que pueden visitar los sitios
srcity.org/watersmart.
web,
And if you go to
los
the
sitios web
webinars
Santa
section,
Rosa
you'll be able to
Water
look at this recording and other
y también
recordings, and the
Sonoma
Sonoma County
County
Master Gardener
Master
site, which will have a
Gardeners
lot of other
que
resources.
pueden
And Mimi
acudir
is
para
actually
más
going to hop
información.
on and
Y
help
Mimi,
moderate
de
the question
hecho,
and answer. So if you
va
have
a
any
ayudar
questions,
a
please make sure to
moderar
put them
las
in the
preguntas y
Q&A
respuestas.
box.
Así que si
Thank you.
tienes
Thank you so
alguna
much, Linda.
pregunta o respuesta,
Wonderful.
por
Thank you,
favor,
Thomas, and thank you, Linda, for a great
pon,
presentation.
si tienes alguna
Everybody, my name is
pregunta, por
Mimi Everett, and
favor,
I'm the
ponla
Program
en la
Coordinator at
caja de
Master Garden
preguntas
Program here in
y
Sonoma County, and I'm
respuestas.
going to be
Hola,
moderating
muchas
the studies
gracias.
for
Yo soy Mimi,
Linda
soy
Hanson.
un
So,
miembro
Linda, we've
del
got a couple of
programa
great
de
questions in the
jardineros
Q&A.
maestros
The first one is
y
from
estamos con
Naomi,
mucho gusto,
who's asking about when plant
respondemos tus
information says it
preguntas.
needs 6 to 8 hours of
La
sun per
primera
day.
pregunta es
What time of year does
que
that
cuando la
refer to?
información de la
I have
planta
plants that
dice
get
que
too much
necesita
shade,
entre
so
6 y
can I
8
consider the
horas
amount of
del
sun that they
sol,
get once the
¿a
leaves fall?
qué parte del año se
Hi there, Naomi.
refiere?
Thank you for the
Hola,
question.
Naomi. Muchas gracias
That
por
is
la
summer sunlight.
pregunta. Se
Especially for your
refiere
deciduous
a
plants,
luz
when
de
they drop
sol
their leaves,
en
they
el
pretty much gone to
invierno,
sleep.
especialmente
So
para
it
las
doesn't matter how
plantas
much
que
sunlight they're getting in
dejan
the winter
que
time.
caer sus hojas.
Summer
No
sun
importa
is
la
what they're talking
cantidad de
about,
luz que
6 to
reciben
8
durante
hours
el
of summer sun.
invierno, pero se refiere a
Our next question
la luz de
is
sol
for what
durante
kind
el
of books or
invierno. La
websites
siguiente
can look
pregunta
for
es que
more
de qué
information
tipo
about how to
de
choose the
libro
right
o sitio
plants
web
in the
podemos
right place and to
buscar
take
para
good
más
care of them.
información de elegir
Well,
las
the two
plantas
up right
correctas y
on your
cómo
screen right now
cuidarlas?
are really good
Bueno,
choices to start with.
los dos sitios web
I
que
would
están en
also
la pantalla
recommend,
ahora misma
if you're
son
interested in native
buenas
plant
opciones. También
Housecape website.
recomiendo el
In
sitio web
fact, we have
Housecape
some of that information,
si
I
te
think, on the
interesan
previous
las
screen.
plantas
I will
nativas y hay
share.
información acerca de esto
Um,
en la diapositiva anterior.
And I'll put the
Entonces voy
link
a
to that website
volver.
in the chat as well.
Y esta lista
So,
de sitios web
all of
la voy a
these
poner en el
websites that are
chat
listed
también.
here
Y todos
have
estos
great plant
sitios
suggestions.
web aquí tienen muy
And
buenas
I think
sugerencias.
these will all be
Y
going
creo
up
que
on the website. So,
todos estos
or in the
se
chat
van a
group. So
poner en el
please.
sitio web
They're
o
going
en
in the
el
chat.
grupo de chat.
Okay,
Sí,
great.
ya
So
están en el chat.
these are great resources for
Excelente.
you.
Entonces,
You'll
estos son
probably get
recursos
overloaded.
muy buenos
Yeah, there's a
para
wealth of
ustedes.
resources available,
Hay
which is
toda
amazing.
una riqueza de
Sunset
recursos
Western Garden
disponibles
book
que es
has long been
increíble.
considered, I think, the
El
Bible
libro
of
Sunset Western
West
Garden
Coast gardening.
desde
So
mucho
that's
se ha
theirs. It really makes
considerado
sense, but there's
la Biblia
so many
de la
websites available
jardinería
for
en
you
el
to reference.
suroeste,
And
pero
there's a
hay
lot of
muchos
really amazing
recursos y
California native
también
plant books and resources available there as
muchos
well.
libros y recursos
And
acerca
you know,
de las
also, if
plantas
you
nativas de
walk
California.
around and see
Y
something in your
también
neighbor's garden that you
si
like,
andas
there's some
caminando y
great
ves algo
apps that you can
en
have on
el
your phone. You can
jardín
just take a
de tu
picture of the
vecino,
plant and the
hay
app will
algunas
identify it
aplicaciones
for you.
excelentes
So
en
that's
el
always a great thing
teléfono
too,
en los
because
cuales puedes
it's hard
tomar una foto y
not
la
seeing a
app
plant, and pictures don't
la
even usually
identificará,
give us a great
porque a veces es difícil
So Linda, our next question
encontrar
is from
la
Brad,
planta que
who says
quieres
he's
y las
lacking mature
fotos
olive trees.
nos
He has
ayudan
several
mucho.
2-year-old olive Brad tiene la siguiente pregunta que dice que tiene dos varios árboles de oliva.
Okay, well, I will
¿Y
refer you back to
cuál
that
es
slide.
la
Most
frecuencia y
trees
cantidad
take 10 to
de
15 gallons per
riego
inch of
para
diameter of
estos
trunk.
árboles?
And
Bueno,
that
repito
the only difference is
que
how often you
la
do that. And the
mayoría de
reason is
árboles
that they need to
necesitan
be deeply
10 a
watered
15
every
galones
so often,
de
rather than getting
riego
a
por
few,
pulgada
like
del tronco.
15 minutes of drip irrigation.
Y esto
Trees
es
don't really
porque
like that,
necesitan
because they
que
need
se
water to get down to the
rieguen
root.
por
So I
completo para
10 to
que
15 minutes.
lleguen
And
hasta
olive
las
trees, because
raíces.
they're a very low
Entonces
water
necesitan un
can,
riego
can
de
go with one
entre
or two
10 y 15
waterings through the
minutos,
summer
pero
season.
los árboles
And
de oliva
just do,
pueden,
10 or 15
pueden
gallons per inch of diameter
flores,
once or
pueden
twice through the summer.
ir bastante
And
bien
do it at the trunk
con
line.
solo
Okay,
uno
where
o
the
dos
leaves are.
riegos
The furthest leaves out of the
durante el
tree. Don't do it
verano.
near the trunk.
Y hazlo
And that needs to expand out. You need to expand out with
por
more rays of
donde
irrigation as the tree
llegan
gets more mature.
las
So
hojas
Linda,
del árbol. No lo
attendee's asking,
hagas
what tools can you
cerca
recommend
del
to help with
tronco.
planning
La
where you can
siguiente
map out
pregunta es
bloom
que ¿cuáles
times and colors of
herramientas
flowers?
pueden recomendar
It's a
para
tough question.
planear tiempos de
It
florecimiento
really
y los
is. I
colores de
mean,
flores?
Taskett has a
¿Qué
great one on
pregunta tan
natives that can help
difícil?
you with that.
Taskett tiene un
As far
recurso
as
bueno
non-native,
acerca
just
de
general,
las
it's one of the
plantas
reasons
nativas
why I'm
y las
recommending
plantas
garden
no
sense, to be
nativas.
honest,
Es
because
una de
if you
las
can
razones
get
por las cuales
some people who know
recomiendo
plants who can make
Garden
some
Sense,
suggestions
porque
for you if
puedes
you
encontrar a personas
identify
que
what you
conocen
want.
las plantas y
And
darte opciones si sabes lo que quieres.
there's so many
Porque
plants
sí
to
hay
use
tantas
that
plantas
you
que
can go
usar
crazy.
que puedes volverte loco.
I know I'm not answering that question very
It's a
well.
Sé que no
question.
estoy
There really aren't a
contestando la
lot of
pregunta muy bien.
resources
Realmente no hay
online that are
muchos
simple to
recursos en
use.
línea
Yeah. A lot
sencillos
of people do
para
spreadsheets to
usar.
track what the
Muchas
fruit color
personas
is, what
usan
timeframe, and it can
spreadsheets
be
para
pretty complex if you really
rastrear
dive in that
los
deep.
tiempos de
Linda, another
florecimiento.
person
Puede ser
asks, what is
bastante
zone 9?
complejo
I
si
see it
quieres
sometimes when looking at plants and others.
realmente
Yes,
profundizarlo.
USDA has created
La
zones
siguiente
for around the country.
pregunta
Zone
es
9
que,
is
¿cuál es
actually where
la
we live.
zona 9?
So a lot of
Y la
nurseries will say
respuesta
this
es
is
que
good for
la
zone 9.
USDA ha creado
That's
diferentes
basically all of
zonas
Northern
a lo
California.
largo
It's a pretty
de
broad
el país
number.
y nosotros
So
nos
you'd have
encontramos
to
en la
sort of
zona
play it by
9.
ear. If
Así
you
que
live
si vas a una
within the
tienda de plantas
western side of
y
Sonoma
la etiqueta
County,
dice que
you
esta está
can
bien
get
para
by with
la zona
plants that
9,
can do with a little
entonces esto
more
es
cool
lo que
weather.
significa esto.
The
Si
further
estás muy
inland you
al
go,
norte,
the
podrías
hotter it will be. And
intentar
so
con
plants that say good
plantas
for
de
coastal
la
or
zona
anything
8,
that says good for marine
pero
or for
llegando más
good
al
on the
sol,
coast or has maritime or
una
maritima in
planta
the
que dice que está buena en la
you
cosa
probably
o
will need to
tiene
plant in the shade
marítima
if you're
en
any
el
further
nombre, las
east.
tendrás que
If
plantear
you're
muy
if you're
en la
on the Sonoma
sombra
side of
si
the county rather than
te
the
ubicas
coastal side.
en el lado
If that makes
de
sense.
Sonoma del
We
condado.
have another question. My yard has
Tenemos
full
otra
sun from sunrise
pregunta.
to sunset
Mi
in the
patio
summer.
tiene
I've planted
eh,
plants which say they need full sun
luz,
and low
plena
water. Are they
luz
wilted and die? What
desde
am I doing
de
wrong?
amanecer, atardecer durante
Oh
el
goodness, I
verano.
don't know.
Eh,
It's hard to say.
y
A lot of now, if you're newly planting, you have to water plants a lot.
¿cuánto
And even if
los
they're drought
debo
tolerant plants, it
riegar?
takes about 2 years to get a plant
Bueno,
to
si estás
be
planteando,
fully drought tolerant because they need to establish
necesitas
deep
varios
roots
años para que
before they
una
can do
planta
that.
sea totalmente
So
tolerante
if
a
you're
las
just
sequías,
planting
porque
and it's a hot
necesitan unos años
location,
para
you're going to need
establecer
to
sus
water
raíces.
almost every
Así
day
que
for the first
si
year during
apenas
summer,
las ha
and then
planteado y es
you
un
can start
lugar
caluroso,
feeding them off
entonces
into maybe every
tendrás
twice a week
que
in the second
regar
summer, and then we can
varias
probably wean them off
veces
further
a la semana
depending
durante
on
el
the
primer
location and
verano
type.
y luego
Your soil also
durante
can
el
have something to
segundo
do with it
verano
if
como
you've got
2 veces a la
sandy,
semana y
light
luego
soil.
menos después de
The water
esto.
will go through there much faster, so you're
Si
gonna have to
tienes
water more often.
suelo con mucha arena,
There's a lot of,
el agua se va a
different
pasar
things that could
más
affect it,
rápido,
but I don't
entonces
know if
tendrás
either
que
of
regar
those help
aún
you
más
with the plants.
frecuentemente. No sé si
And then Thomas, I have a
estas
question for you,
sugerencias te
from an
ayudan.
attendee. Will copies of the
Y
slides be
tomas una
available to us?
pregunta de
If you
usted,
email
de un miembro de la audiencia,
watersmart@srcity.org,
si
that's
podrán,
watersmart@srcity.org,
si estarán disponibles
you can try to,
copias
get you
de
a
las
PDF copy of the slides.
diapositivas. Sí,
And I know we have just
si nos
another minute
manda
left for the
correo, podemos
session.
hacerte
Linda, I'm
llegar
gonna
una
wrap up with one
copia
last question from
de
Emily.
las
She asks, what about
diapositivas.
like
Entonces
requirements
vamos
for
a
plants that
terminar
bloom in
con
the
una
winter?
pregunta de Emily. ¿Qué de los
Emily, that
requisitos
depends
de
on the
luz
plant.
para las
So
plantas
again,
que
if it's
florecen
a plant that
durante
needs
el
full sun,
invierno? Pues
it will need
depende
full
de
sun
la
in the
planta.
winter
Si es
time,
una
or at least
planta que necesita plena luz,
most of the day.
necesitará plena luz
And
durante
then
el
if it's
invierno
a shade
o durante
plant,
la
it will
mayoría
need
del
shade
día.
whether it's
Pero
summer or
si
winter.
es una
Plants
planta de sombra,
bloom
ya
if
sea
they're a
una
shade
planta de
plant and
verano
they're
o
expected to
invierno,
bloom,
va a
they will bloom
necesitar
at the time of
algo
the
de
year, whatever time
sombra.
of the year they're supposed to.
And Thomas, I think we're right at time, so I think I'll wrap up the Q&A portion.
Y
if you
creo
wanna
que, Tomás,
wrap
creo
up the
que
session.
ya estamos
Wonderful.
justo a
Thank you so much,
tiempo,
Linda.
entonces
It's a
voy
delight to be
a
co-hosting
terminar
these
la sección
workshops with the
de
Mountain
preguntas
Gardeners
y
of Sonoma County.
respuestas.
Look
Muchas
forward to
gracias,
many more of
gracias,
these.
Mimi.
Please let us know if you have
Es
questions or
un
comments.
placer poder
watersmart@srcity.org.
celebrar
And we'll
estas
see you next time.
reuniones
Thanks,
y
everybody.
nos vemos en la siguiente.
Bye.
Muchas gracias.